Julie with Warmboard, and today I'm on site in Hanover, New Hampshire at Darthmouth College. This is the Rollins Chapel behind me. It's a historic building here on campus, and they are using almost 9,000 square feet of Warmboard-S. Let me take you inside and give you a look around. You'll notice all of the original molding on the walls has been untouched throughout this expansive renovation. Same with the stone on the exterior. This made adding any insulation for an added R value near impossible. The engineers for this project determined that to meet this building's heat load for BTUs, Warmboard was the only option. This says a lot about Warmboard's power, especially here in New England.
Rollins Chapel was founded in the late 19th century, and despite the many changes in our country and our campus, it is still here. It's undergone some changes recently. The ventilation is a lot better. The heating doesn't make sounds anymore. The floor is new. We're really glad to have you in this space.